name is Susmita. We are starting our 30 days of code challenge through HackerRank platform. So let's start. So this is our first day, day 0. We have to print a hello world in this challenge. Here the task is to complete this challenge. You must save a line of input from stdin to a variable, print hello world on a single line, and finally print the value of a variable on the second line. So it tells us that we have to take an input, sample input like this, and then print hello world in the first line and the input from the user in the second line. So let's start. First we have to choose the language, in which language we want to do. I have chosen C++ 20, and let's remove it. We will include a header file called bits std_c++.h. This header file contains all the header files. This means that there is an universal header file which contains all the elements of other header files. So first we have to take the input string str, and then we are using getLine. getLine is a function which helps us to take inputs of a string with spaces. It means input of a line. Cout, and we have to print the hello world. Sorry, this will be like this. Yeah, now it's okay. Cout, we have to print hello world like this. Hello comma. Hello world \n cout str. Yeah, okay. Run code. See, it's okay. We'll submit code. Yeah, both the test cases are correct. So congratulations, we have completed our first challenge, and the next challenge will be unlocked within this time. So I hope we are able to do with this completely fine.